Hi, second grade. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all healthy. Hopefully you're not too bored like I am and ready to get back to work on Monday. So I'm going to show you all about our Google Classroom and how it works, and then I'm going to go through each assignment. Assignments will be posted every day at 8 a.m., so be sure to get onto Google Classroom every day and to check what you should be working on. Okay, so when you get to our Google Classroom, you will see Stream. And on the stream, anything that I post will pop up. And you can scroll and see everything that you should be doing or any announcements. So at the very top, I just put on a new video that teaches you how to use Zoom. And so second, there's a little assignment. I'm going to click on it. And on Wednesday, at 10 a.m. we'll be having our first Zoom meeting. So if you click on this link, Wednesday at 10 o'clock, and then you type in this ID, which is like a password, we will all be able to see each other. Hopefully technology will work for us. But we'll all be able to see each other and talk. And then if I keep going through my stream, I can see other assignments that I have posted for you guys. So most of you have answered the math questions. You will need those for your math worksheets. Some of you have answered this. I just wanted you to tell me some good news. And so I see that about 5 of you answered, and I will answer back. If we keep scrolling, we have Scholastic News that you can use for reading. We have another Scholastic website. All of the Rocket Math pages. So you can use these anytime you want to get as far as you want on Rocket Math, subtraction and multiplication. We have Epic, which is another reading website. It's really, really good because they read some books to you. They have videos. They have audiobooks, which is just listening, and then other books that you can read to yourself. And you can also use the reading websites for your reading log. And then at the end, there are 2 math websites for you to practice math, Zearn and Prodigy. So I'm going to go all the way back up and show you classwork. So classwork is where you will find all of your assignments. So at the very top, we have the announcements about the Zoom meeting. If you click on the first one, you can click on this video and it will teach you how to use the website. So it would be a good idea to watch that video before Wednesday and practice with your family. And then if we keep going, we see your reading assignments. So you have an assignment about Flat Stanley. Tomorrow, another one will pop up asking you to start reading chapter 1. And then we have our reading log assignment. So your reading log will look something like this. Now you can only fill out this Google form 1 time. So as you read, you need to write down on a piece of paper the books and the times. And then when you have reached 50 minutes, you can go to Classroom and fill this out. Okay, and if we keep scrolling, we can see tomorrow you will have a math assignment that will pop up. I know right now it's hard to see, but tomorrow you will be doing page 529 and page 530. And I also made a video to help you with math, and I would like you to watch the video before you do the worksheet. All of the spelling, if you would like to practice, all of the Rocket Math for practice, and then we have science and religion. So each week I'll post a science experiment that you can do at home, and then also a religion video. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is how to send me an email. So if you ever have a question about how to do something, where to click, or if you just want to tell me some good news, you can email me. So you would go to the People button at the top. Now my screen looks different because I'm the teacher. So I'm going to show you using Mrs. Tori as an example. So I'm her student. I go to People. And then next to her name, it will be my name, is an envelope. And then will pop up email with my email address. I click the envelope and a new screen will pop up. and the message is ready to go. So your subject could be question, and then you type your question or story you want to tell me, and you click send, and I will get it and I will respond as soon as I can. There is one more way to send an email. You go over here to your Rubik's Cube, click Gmail, and then click compose. Start typing my name. My first name is Dallas, and my email will pop up. All you have to do is click on it, type your question, click send, and you're done. I hope this video was helpful. I'm really kind of nervous about teaching online, but I think we can do it. And I hope to see you all at the Zoom meeting online Wednesday at 10 a.m. If you can't make it, if you're busy, or if your technology just isn't working, that's okay, but I really hope to see you there.